In order to roll out your forearms, we do different hand positions to reach around the forearm more effectively. The first hand position is interlaced. The second one, you're holding your hand. For that one, you will also switch directions. Then there's the pistol. And then the last one is my favorite. I call it the church steeple because it reminds me of the song growing up. You press your fingertips together actively for that one. What it looks like is your forearms fit into zone 3, and then they do the grip, whichever one you're doing, in front. You get to use your body weight as leverage. So some people like a lot of pressure, so I would hinge my body weight more over the roller. Some people don't, so I would shift my glutes back a little bit. But either way, you're very slowly passing from just below your elbow to your wrist in those different positions. You'll do 4 up and down of each one. The other thing I like for the forearm is the Rollga Micro. It's really great for carpal tunnel because then you can use your other hand to control how much pressure you want. I keep this at my desk when I have to type a lot. I can use it on my desk to roll out my forearm back and forth, turn my forearm, and then turn my forearm. There's also a spot right here that gets a knot. You can either use the end of it, or you can bring the whole device and roll right there. I like that this has a little loop on it. So I attach it to my backpack handle. That way it's always there and I see it as a reminder to use it more frequently. This is also what we use on our feet. So great Christmas stocking stuffer for this one. Next up is the lat. It's kind of a hard place to get with a lot of rollers, but the Rollga has zone 3 and our lat fits right in it. So I'm going to lay down on my side. And my legs are leverage. So you're going to either want to have them where you can press up, or if you're a masochist, where you can press long. This arm goes straight first because we've got to find just the right spot. It's just below my armpit and a little up in the back. When I actively stretch my hand towards the opposite wall, if I lean back a little bit, hello, I found it. And then from there, we get to decide what we do about it. I can just hold this and breathe. If I'm that tight, this is enough. If I want to level up, I'm going to lift up for more pressure. If I want more than that, then I get to wiggle this. So I'm going to pull my hand up to tap the back of my head and then actively reach my fingers long. And you do that 5 or 6 times. It kind of looks like, how you doing? But you're going to reach and tap and reach and tap. And then you can hold long, rock back, rock forward. And you can do the same thing with your hand behind your head. You'll rock back and you'll rock forward. The other position you can do, it's like a Pilates move actually. You put your hand in your heads and then you're gonna lift up to that side plank. And you can hold that for some pressure. If you have really long arms, that won't be as effective for you. I just happen to have short arms. Then you'll lower your glutes down and try your other side.